Yeah, I'm gonna say
Look at that. Out here on the Red Dog claim with the PCSC,
no,
and dug that out.
6.5.
Not bad at all. The PCSC Placer Peak coin hunt.
Up in the air, so I know everybody's ready.
Gonna look for some gold and some coins and teach you about your metal detector.
I'm going to start it. And you have 1 hour. Any of the gold prices that are not found in 1 hour are going to be raffled off. So even if you don't find anything, then you'll be up.
Out in the Mojave. Found me a little piece of gold. You can see there's another claim right over here. Some people dry washing over here. Not a big piece of gold, haven't weighed it up yet, but I got a piece of gold. You can see the vast area. It's a bit warm, but it's a nice day. Oh man, my nug is 0.8 something. It's almost a gram. So it'd be about $100 in gold. Just panning around. I haven't found much else other than trash, nails, pieces of cans, nonsense. You can see the dry washer diggings and stuff. But I've had an excellent day. We threw my nug on the scale, again 0.8 something, so it's almost a full gram, being it's a solid piece of gold, you know. Probably like $100. You have a good day. I've had an excellent day out here in the Mojave. I'm gonna detect with some other people. Have a good day. Greedy Gringo Prospecting.